Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And welcome to the science class with Cikgu Roni with 31 part 2. This is part number 2. Now, before we start our lesson, we shall recite doa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. So we shall continue with the lesson. The objective is to investigate how push and pull can change the shape of an object. We have learned about push and pull, how push and pull can do things to the speed of an object. Example, we shall recap later. Identify the 4 actions on changing shapes on modeling clay. Now, let's check with the step of success. We shall talk about previous lesson. We shall talk about our Play-Doh project from the first video just now. We talk about other things push can and pull can do, push and A&D and pull can do, and you shall do your exercise from the Google form that I have provided. So let's recap last week's lesson. What pushes and pulls can do. Now again, let us remember push and pull can start an object to move from not moving. When we push or pull, it becomes moving. Not moving, tidak bergerak, jadi bergerak. Okay. Next. Push and pull can stop a moving object. From a moving object like this, moving ball, stop. From a moving car, orang push, then it stop. From a moving bullet, it stop. So the first one tadi push and pull can start and ia akan stop, boleh stop, can stop a moving object. Now the third one is push and pull can make a moving object move faster. Now this object, these two bicycle and skateboard are moving, but we can make this object move faster. How? Here by cycling, pedaling faster, and here by pushing the skateboard more and more faster. So the bicycle and the skateboard can move faster. Number 4. Push and pull can make a moving object move slower. This is a truck, a fast moving truck. When you hit the brakes, it becomes slower. It's the same with your father's car. And the second one is an aeroplane, a fast moving aeroplane. When it hits the net, it will go slower. Okay, and the next one is push and pull can change the direction of a moving object. Now if you see here on the first picture, the truck wants to go straight, but then it hits a red car, that one, and the truck does not move in a straight line anymore. In the second picture, the ball is kicked here and there to the left and right by the players, and the ball cannot go straight in a straight line because the players kick the ball into the net there. Okay, excellent. So next lesson. Today's lesson, what are the things push and pull can do? Push and pull can change the shape of an object. Example here, squeeze. Push and pull can change the shape of an object by squeezing. Squeeze means pinching. Okay, let me change my picture here. Can you see me now? Okay. Ah, good. Can you see me? Now, from our experiment in the first video, we have our Play-Doh. Play-Doh. Wait, sticky Play-Doh. Okay, Play-Doh. So, from our Play-Doh, squeeze means picit. Picit macam-macam. Sini. Picit. So, this is squid. Squeeze. Okay, you can see here, squeeze means picit. This is squeezing, and squeezing change the shape of the Play-Doh that we made. Example, cikgu buat bulat lagi sekali. Teacher will make it into a round Play-Doh. Okay, this is round Play-Doh. When I squeeze it, bila cikgu picit, squeeze, it change shape. It is no more round. See? No more round. Good, that is the first one. Push and pull can change the shape of an object by squeezing. Squeeze. Squeeze means to push both sides of the object, like in this picture, the pineapple and the rubber ball. Next, push and pull can change the shape of an object by twisting. Twist. Not the first picture. The first picture is dancing. This dance is called twist. Dulu. Ni nari lah, nari twist namanya. Tarian twist. Macam cerita Piramli. But then we do not talk about this one. We talk about this one at the bottom. The guy is twisting an object. So the object change shape. So I can make the same thing like this one. This is the object. Okay, I can twist, pusing like that, and it's change its shape. See, it doesn't look the same. Twist lagi. Okay, one more time. Okay, this one, a soft Play-Doh. You twist it, so it change shape like that. Good. Twisting means to curl, untuk ikalkan, or to turn, to twist like that. An object by turning each end in an opposite way, ke arah berlawanan. Ini ke depan, okay. Pusing, ini ke belakang, like that. So this is twisting, not dancing twist, bukan menari twist. Okay, next. Push and pull can change the shape of an object by bending. Bending means to shape something into a curve, like this one. This man is bending a metal. Bending tu macam tu, like this one. Like that, bending. Straight bend, it bends. It is very easy. Next, push and pull can change the shape of an object by stretching. Stretching means bukan exercise stretching. Yeah, it's boleh juga, but then in here we are talking about this. Stretching means tarik, to pull objects like that. That is stretching. and the object I'm holding is not the same anymore. Tidak sama. Ada 3 stretch. See, it changed shape. It doesn't look the same anymore. Excellent. So our next, let's do exercise. Now I have provided exercises in Google Form. The link is provided in the YouTube. Under the YouTube, on the description, I have provided the link to the Google Form. You can fill it up, write your name, full name, and submit it. You do not need to screenshot. Tidak payah screenshot, buat saja. I can see your name in the Google Form. Now, let us the summary for today's class. Push and pull can change the shape of an object by, boleh ubah bentuk. Shape means bentuk. By squeezing like that. Picit, squeezing ni to push. Second, twisting like that. Pusing. If this is a tissue, jatuh. One is pushing, hold up. One is pulling, tarik macam itu. Okay, bending. Number 3, bending to push like that. You push jatuh. You push. And number 4, to stretch. Push and pull can change the shape of an object by stretching. Not this one. This is a tissue. A tissue is very hard to stretch. But you can use a rubber band. Tarik rubber band atau getah luar kah. Bila tak ditarik, getah luar, getah tu jadi kecil, jadi kencang, kecil kalau kita tarik getah luar. Excellent. So, thank you for watching today's class. What I need is you need to do the exercises in the Google Form. I've also prepared links for your notes. You can print up your notes and keep it in a file at home. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.